At Rolls-Royce, when conceiving New Ghost, our team kept returning to this phrase, post-opulence. As a designer, when I imagine this movement, I think of the Shard on London's South Bank. It's the polar opposite of the opulent Baroque buildings that it overlooks. It's perfectly minimal and linear, yet by cleverly using reflection and light, it doesn't feel clinical. It doesn't expend any excess energy to define itself. This is exactly what our Ghost clients asked us to create. They didn't want grandeur or fuss. They wanted something pure and clean. We removed all unnecessary design. We deleted shut lines. We pursued a minimal aesthetic, whilst ensuring that the New Ghost was unmistakably a Rolls-Royce. And along the way, we discovered that creating perfect simplicity is really, really complex. To achieve it on New Ghost, we had to take huge steps, such as hand welding aluminium bodies and sewing incredibly long, perfectly straight stitch lines. We had to find futuristic new materials. And to complement this, our engineers completely reconfigured our Rolls-Royce architecture. They distilled the experience of Ghost, imbuing it with an incredibly pure and refined driving personality. Because this particular group of our clients expressed a desire for something even more refined and even more pure than their existing Ghost. But still, in every respect, a true Rolls-Royce.